Okay, today we're working on lab 8.8.4, configure the boot order. So let's start this lab. While that loads up, the scenario is you are the IT administrator for a small corporate network. You have just changed the SATA hard disk in the workstation in the executive office. You need to edit the boot order to make it consistent with the office standards. In this lab, your task is to access the computer's BIOS settings, disable the booting from the diskette drive, and configure the remaining devices to boot using the following boot order. So we're going to click the power button, click F2 or delete to go into the BIOS. We're going to click boot sequence right here, and then we're going to uncheck diskette drive. So it says disable booting from the diskette drive. And then we're going to configure the remaining devices to boot using the following boot order. So internal HDD, CD has to come up, and then onboard comes up, and then okay, that one's good. We're going to click apply, exit, and then we're just going to go ahead, wait for it to boot up, click check answers, and everything's perfect. So you are all done with that lab.